friends, here back again with another tutorial. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to create super admin in Django 2.2. So let's start with create admin, how to create admin. So now I'm going to show you some realistic example, and if you have any doubt, please comment on comment section. And if you have any doubt related to this video, please watch my previous video. Definitely you will get more knowledge. So let's start with I'm going to create I have this one. I have started my Python's Django server, and now you can check from the I'm the inside of the virtual 2 environment, and also I'm inside of my folder with the name of the college. And now I'm going to create super user. So here Python manage.py create super user, this command. Now after hit this command you will get username. So here we need to add super username. So I'm going to name admin1. Enter email address. So I'm going to type email address siddharth@gmail.com. Now hit your password. I'm going to put admin18 again, admin18. So here you get check the password is similar to the username, and the password is short, similar, and is short. So we need to add minimum eight characters. So just type here. So by password validations and create user anyway. Yes. Now super user successfully created. Okay. So I have given admin18. Now I'm going to hit here. Now you can check here admin panel. Just go to your server and type here admin. So you can get here already inside of the admin18. Now I'm going to put here password is admin18. Now check. Now I'm inside of the administration. So I have created already super admin with the name of the admin1. We have right now two super admin. So now even we can give permissions, what kind of permissions, whatever we want, we can give permission from here also. So hope so this is clear for you. Now this is a home page, and whatever you want you can print here, and this is our administration page here. Okay, now if I want add any particular contact details from user, can add any contact number and any kind of this thing. So you can add new class and just create a admin more fields. So suppose I'm going to new underscore app. I have already explained the last video, you can check. Okay, now I'm going to model. I have within a model I have created some fields. If you have any doubt related to model, please watch my previous video. If you forget to subscribe my channel, please click on bell icon so you can get notifications also. And if you like this video, please click on like button also. So now look here, I have models. Okay, so I created here class with the name of contact. This contact is associated with the, you can check as a sorry, you can check the database is the table name, and these field are the basically uh, columns. And okay, so I have created these kind of things also. Now we need to add here within admin. So how you can add, just a very similar to from dot models import contact. Okay, so here we have added. Okay, this is successfully added. Now admin dot site. Okay, admin dot site register. Okay, so what we need to register here, we need to register contact. Okay, this is done. Now once you added here, you need to just hit your browser and you will get here new app. Now if you want add anything here, I have added already. So if you want add, I'm going to delete these things. Yes, sure, I want to delete. Now this is done. Now just click on add. I'm going to put again with the name of Siddharth, and email ID is Siddharth Shukla089@gmail.com. This is my personal email ID, and type here test, and test whatever number you have. This is an integer field, so I'm going to put here, and subject means is a text field. So with this text area automatically came from Django. Okay, now save and editing continues. This is successfully. Now save to another. So now just check again. I have two fields maybe. I'm going to history. Now to object here. Just click on here. Contact object 2. This is done successfully. In history you can check admin 1, admin 2. This is done from admin. Okay, now click here, and this is done from our side. Now if you have any doubt related to this video, please comment on comment section, and if you forget any syntax while you doing this activity, just go to my account here and you can check everything. Okay, so I will give you here also descriptions area link. You can check from my descriptions area. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any doubt, please comment on comment section. Definitely I will try to resolve your query. If you want more video, please comment on comment section which type of video you need. Definitely I will try to make. Thank you for watching.